Thermador Combi Steam Ovens are designed for cooks who want more control and versatility than a traditional oven can offer. They're built around the idea that steam should expand what an oven can do, not complicate it. Thermador combines convection heat with steam to support a wide range of everyday cooking techniques, from roasting to baking, reheating, and even proofing bread. With flexible installation, modern connectivity, and a design that integrates cleanly into contemporary kitchens, the Thermador Combi Steam Oven appeals to serious home cooks who want professional style capability in a format that fits naturally into the flow of the kitchen. There are two different collections to choose from, Masterpiece and Professional. Both cook the same way, so the decision is about kitchen style and control preference. Here we have the Masterpiece. It has a modern integrated design with clean contemporary styling with glass forward surfaces and stainless steel accents. It features a touchscreen control interface where all the cooking modes and settings are primarily controlled with a full color touchscreen display, and it features a linear stainless handle with brushed stainless steel handles and chamfered edges. Next is the Professional. You'll notice the Pro style kitchen presence. It's more bold, commercial inspired design, and it has heavier hardware and a strong visual presence. It features cast metal knob controls, where these solid knobs are paired with a touchscreen that display and provide a more tactile experience. And lastly, the big difference is the robust handle design. The radial brushed stainless steel handles come with those chrome end caps. The Thermador Combi Steam Ovens feature a removable 45-ounce water tank and are not plumbed. Steam generation uses this refillable water tank, eliminating the need for a plumbed water connection. Thermador steam ovens are 30 inches wide and feature a 2.8 cubic foot capacity with multiple racks. And we're talking about those nice, smooth, ball-bearing telescopic racks for an easy slide in and slide out. There are 17 heating modes and steam auto programs. With these multiple cooking modes, you'll support a wide range of techniques including steam, convection, roast, bake, boil, proof, defrost, and reheat. And with over 50 automatic steam programs, you can adjust temperature and timing automatically to simplify the steam cooking process. Expect better flavor and no flavor transfer. What I mean by this is you can cook multiple dishes at once, like this fruit pie, lemon garlic chicken, and the sides, with no flavor transfer. And without the need for temperature adjustments, thanks to the convection baffle system, you can prepare your meals and desserts right at the same time. Once owning a Combi Steam Oven, you will rethink the reheat. You can give your leftovers a well-deserved upgrade. You can reheat steak, pizza, burgers, all without losing that taste and texture. With even heating every time and the ability to preserve authentic nutrients, you'll be enhancing the flavor. With Thermador Combi Steam Ovens, expect Wi-Fi and connected control. It will come complete with smart steam oven capabilities, and they're smart device compatible too. You can preheat your steam oven directly from your smart device, send recipe instructions directly from the Connect Home app straight to your oven. That will give you access to curated recipes that are catered just for you. One of the best features is the air fry. This feature allows you to indulge in your favorite fried foods with less oil, making every meal a guilt-free experience. Thermador steam ovens are the only 30-inch wide models in the industry with a 2.8 cubic foot full steam convection oven that is air fry capable. Next, let's touch on installation. There is no plumbing required because the steam functionality operates using that internal water tank that we talked about earlier, rather than requiring a dedicated water line. For the electrical requirements, it's a 240, 208 volt, 20 amp dedicated circuit with a fixed connection, and you can either install it flush or have a proud installation. But if you want it flush, expect a 24.5 inch depth. If you're eyeing a steam oven, you're in luck, because besides the single steam oven, there are combo steam ovens where the top is steam and the bottom is a full 4.5 cubic foot convection wall oven all in one unit. And there are also ranges with a steam oven built right in, like this 60-inch featured on the right. Steam isn't just a trend, it's here to stay, and both professional and at-home chefs are integrating them every day. And we love to give you a demonstration sometime, so please book an appointment with us. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe so you don't miss out on our new appliance content.